Hi guys, I'm doing some lobster. So I'm just showing you how I'm cracking them. Just a little crack for the juice to go in it when it's cooking. Not a lot of cracking, guys, because you don't want to get the meat out. One crack on each. Yes, guys.
Guys, look at these legs. Wow. So, how many pepper you want in it now?
Carol?
Peppers, yeah?
I'm going to kill with the pepper.
So, 3 is enough? Okay.
Yes, guys. This is it. So, we're going to put it back here.
Hello, guys. I'm cooking with my sister. Yeah. This is the ingredients I'm going to wash. And I'm going to dice for my sister to use with her lobster.
You want to come here and cut it?
Let me wash them. Okay. This I'm gonna use 3 lovely Scotch bonnet pepper, a nice onion I'm gonna dice, some scallion, and look at all these garlic. Got the garlic, and then I have some fresh thyme in there. Yes, I'm gonna dice them.
My sister doing well. Let me clean. Take up my clean up on so you get it. Flat. Lovely sister. Alright.
I'm just going to dice my onion. So I'm going to dice this onion. And this is for the lobster. I'm dicing it very small. So this is for the lobster. This is enough onion.
No, do 2 sis. You did it.
Dice the onion very small so we can fry it when you burn the curry. Okay, guys. Let me put those on the cutting board. Let's rinse my bowl. Let me rinse this a bit, even though it's clean. Yeah, put my diced onion them aside. Here's my garlic, a few pegs of garlic. I have garlic crusher, but it's good as well. You can use a knife to crush them, just like that, the old-fashioned way. I'm gonna cut them up small. So I put the garlic mixed together with the onion. That's fabulous. Guys, this is my spring onion. I'm gonna dice them very small. Look at these 3 lovely Scotch bonnet. This is very hot, really, really hot. Oh, God, it smells nice. It's strong. The scent, you can smell it. This is the real Scotch bonnet pepper. Let it feel tasty. This is my thyme. This is it. Have a look. Nice. This is all the ingredients I'm gonna put in the lobster. This is the lobster. Look at the lobster. Okay, guys, that's a Scotch bonnet pepper in my throat. I can't see it. I have to cough. I am just gonna peel these pieces of ginger. There. I'm just going to grate these little pieces of ginger. I'm not going to grate it very small. Yeah. Yeah. So it will penetrate better through the lobster. You don't want too much to overpower the meat. That's it, ginger. I put it in the, so that's it guys, look, ginger, thyme, everything, really nice. Smelling very nice. This one, just let me cover this one. Yeah, I'm just cleaning as I go. Just make the work load easier and the place is tidy and smelling fresh.
We burn the curry?
Yes.
That is what?
Garlic.
Put the ginger.
Just some ginger. Put some thyme. Yeah.
What again, sis?
And then we're gonna put some scotch bonnet pepper. Here is the, yeah, scotch, yeah, stir it. Then we're gonna put some coconut milk. Yeah,
Bit of coconut milk?
Okay. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Then we're gonna put an onion, scallion. Yeah. Right. Just the onion. Yeah, little coconut milk. Yeah. Some coconut milk. Yeah. Can I have the corn? I'm gonna put some corn. Yeah.
Put some more milk.
Yeah. Then you cooking onion and stuff together. Guys, it's a lot of coffee. Yeah. But it's really nice.
Guys, this is some lemon pepper.
Yeah.
This is garlic pepper.
Yeah. Let me just finish cooking and it'll taste it. Yeah. Not yet. Okay. Let's put the,
What you want, sis?
bring the lobster over here. Look at it guys, really nice. So I'm just gonna put lobster. We're gonna put some file paper over it to simmer it down. I'm gonna put some jerk seasoning here, just to give it a nice balance and taste. Yeah. A nice Maggi chicken seasoning. Really nice. Guys, when you have a lot of prawn and lobster leg, you have to use a big pot. And this pot does not come with a big pot cover, so we have to cover it with file paper, which you can do. So you can do cooking in many different forms. Yeah. Right.
So guys, file paper will cook it nicely.
And look guys, look at it guys, really nice. Yeah. Wow. Guys, look at this. Wow. Beautiful.
Let me taste it. Let me try.
My sister is tasting it. Beautiful.
Yes, guys, nice. You can put in some of my prawn down, you know, sis.
Gonna put some prawn. Look at the prawn. Look at it, guys. This is a king prawn. This is okay. This is enough. Yeah. We're gonna add some more coconut juice to it for it to simmer down and cook nicely. So this is the way Sharon and Carol cooking it. All these prawn lover and lobster lover, look at it. Beautiful. Let me cover it for it to simmer down. Okay. Guys, it's a pot cover. The pot is really big. You just get some file paper and cover it, right? And it stays simmer down really nicely.
I'm just giving you a good view of it.